football hobby. All right, Scott, thank you as always. Best of luck. Let's do it. Right in here, all funky. Empty box. Oh, all right, good luck. Get it open, jeez. All right, we've got Jason Moore, rookie. Thomas Davis Sr., club level. We have /99, a Joey Bosa Silver Lightning patch. Joey Bosa. Nice one there. A silver Jerry Rice. And rookie of A.J. Dillon. All right, C.J. Henderson, rookie. Denzel Mims, rookie, club level. We've got a Drew Brees, blue checkerboard field level. That is /49 in the Chargers uni. There's something you don't see every day. There you go, Scott. Nice Drew Brees. That's sick. And up next, out of 75, we've got RPA blue of Antonio Gibson for the football team. Antonio Gibson. And rookie, we've got a Tua Tagovailoa. Nice Tua base. All right, we've got Jordan Love. Kyler. Silver rookie selections of CeeDee Lamb. Silver rookie of Devin Duvernay. And a Russell Wilson. Got Denzel Mims rookie. Dwayne Haskins, is he the future of Pittsburgh? We shall see. A.J. Brown phenoms. Silver field level rookie Darrington Evans. And a Justin Jefferson rookie. All right, we've got Alvin Kamara. LaVisca Chenault Jr. rookie. Got light blue Derek Carr. That is 57 of 99. Derek Carr. Nice one there. Silver Brandon Ayuk for the Niners. He looked pretty nice the other night. And a LaVisca Chenault Jr. rookie field level. Looks pretty okay. All right. Carson Wentz. We've got Cole Kmet rookie. Rookie selections of Jalen Hurts. Silver Dan the Man Marino field level. Or I'm sorry, that's club level. And a Baker Mayfield. See if he ends up in Pittsburgh next year. A lot of different options. Be nice if Aaron Rodgers came over. I know Caleb would love that. Got rookie Jacob Eason. Jordan Love. Club level. We've got Andrew Thomas tricolor field level. It's Andrew Thomas. That is out of 75. Got silver Henry Ruggs III and a base Henry Ruggs III. All right. Still looking for one auto. Julio Jones. We've got a Chase Young rookie. Justin Herbert silver phenomenons. Nice one there. There you go, Scott. Nice Herbie silver. We've got Booger Jr., Anthony McFarland Jr. silver rookie, and a Carson Wentz. Got Josh Allen. Joshua Kelly rookie. Selections of Earl Campbell. Silver rookie Devin Asiasi. And a Keyshawn Vaughn rookie. All right. Cam Newton. Dan Marino club level. We've got purple Jacob Eason rookie. That is to 75. Jacob Eason. And then we've got to 60, a maroon rookie auto, Zach Moss for the Bills. Zach Moss. Patrick Mahomes. All right, couple packs left here for you, Scott. Patrick Queen rookie. Sam Darnold. We've got tricolor rookie of Mekhi Becton for the Jets. Out of 199. Silver OBJ. And a Mike Vrabel field level. All right, last pack, Scott. Got Jordan Fuller. Gardner Minshew the second. A Snapshots Zeke Elliott. Silver Denzel Mims club level. And a Derek Brown rookie. All right, Scott, that'll do it for you. Thanks, as always, for hopping in. We'll be getting these cards right out to you.